Today we are going to show you how to calibrate the mom pH meter. So all you have to do is press the power button and wait until everything's come up, and you press call and it will tell you the instruction is use 7.01, which is this one. So you will follow the instruction. Make sure you wait. It is calibrating right now. Make sure you wait until it's tell you next step. And you can move on to second step, which is 4.01. So you wait until it says start, which is if the tester is working, then it will tell you to start. If it is not working, it will stay remain. Okay, the tester is really good. So the next step is you are getting the vinegar rice, one angle on each, and the middle. So it has to be 4 angle in the middle. So make sure you have that. All right, this is going to be a cup of vinegar rice, and you pour it here, and you are going to use distilled water with 2-ounce cup, and you pour it here and you mix it really good. Make sure you mix it really good. And now you can taste it to see. Okay. Make sure it's clean. Make sure the camera is clean, and you taste it. So make sure you are waiting the blinking until it's solid. Okay, it's working. It is 4.0, which is, this is the logbook, and we are accepting the pH of 3.7 to 4.2, which is 4.0 is real